Guys, wig wear. Wig wear. Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this 4C natural looking bob cut braided wig. It has a small lace inside. If you want me to cut the lace for you, always just let me know so that I can send it to you when I've already cut the lace. But sometimes when you don't tell me, I might not cut the lace. So always just let me know if you want me to send it to you when I've already cut the lace. This is how it looks. So what we're supposed to do, just apply foundation on the lace to make it blend well with your complexion. But sometimes I always cut the lace for you and apply foundation on it so that you just get it and put it on. It has a band at the back to make it more secure, and then it also has the extra strap. So let me just put it on. I'm trying to insert the combs at the back here on the sides, but don't worry about the combs, you can still wear it like that. Glueless, guys. Glueless. Yeah, it's color number 1. The wig is already styled for you. It comes in this shape, the bob shape. This is how it looks on the sides. The back. Yeah, now that's the correct color. As you can see, it's color number 1. Guys, wig wear. Wig wear. Wig wear. So if you want to order this wig, just WhatsApp me or order it from my website in global.china.co.ke, and I ship worldwide. Oh my god, I'm just in love with this wig. So that was it for today, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.